On December 11, 2024, the United States deployed A-10 Thunderbolt II aircraft, affectionately known as Warthogs, to the Philippines for joint training exercises with the Philippine Air Force. This deployment underscores the enduring defense collaboration between the two nations and comes against the backdrop of escalating tensions in the South China Sea, a region fraught with competing territorial claims. The A-10 Thunderbolts, part of the 25th Fighter Squadron based in South Korea, landed at Clark Air Base on December 6 and will remain until December 15. This deployment is part of the U.S. Air Force's Dynamic Force Employment (DFE) strategy, designed to maintain operational unpredictability while responding flexibly to evolving threats. First adopted in 2018, the DFE strategy emphasizes agile, short-term deployments over prolonged rotations, enabling the U.S. military to keep adversaries uncertain about its intentions. Recent missions, such as the A-10's deployment to the Philippines, demonstrate this approach's focus on contested regions like the Indo-Pacific. The deployment comes at a critical time when nearly 100 Chinese vessels have been reported near the Philippines' Thitu Island, intensifying disputes in the South China Sea. The region remains a flashpoint for geopolitical rivalries, with overlapping claims from China, the Philippines, and other Southeast Asian nations. The Mutual Defense Treaty of 1951, a cornerstone of U.S. Philippines relations, ensures a coordinated response to any armed attack on either nation's forces in the Pacific. Enhanced collaborations, such as the current joint exercises, reaffirm the alliance's commitment to regional stability. U.S. Philippines military ties date back to the 1947 Military Base Agreement, which permitted the U.S. to operate key installations like Clark Air Base and Subic Bay Naval Base. Although the U.S. withdrew from these bases in 1991, the partnership was revitalized in 2014 with the signing of the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, EDCA. This agreement allows U.S. forces access to strategically located bases in the Philippines for temporary rotations, such as Antonio Bautista Air Base in Palawan, near the South China Sea. Regular joint exercises, such as Balikatan, further enhance interoperability and address regional security challenges. The A-10 Thunderbolt II is a twin-engine ground attack aircraft celebrated for its durability and precision in close air support roles. With a maximum speed of 833 km per hour and a combat range of 460 km, the A-10's design prioritizes survivability, featuring heavy armor and redundant systems to withstand intense ground fire. Its Gu-8/A Avenger 30mm rotary cannon, capable of firing 3,900 rounds per minute, excels at neutralizing armored vehicles and fortifications. With 11 hardpoints for a diverse arsenal of ordnance, the A-10 is unmatched in its ability to operate at low altitudes and slow speeds. Developed during the 1960s to support ground troops in hostile environments, the A-10 entered service in 1976. It first showcased its combat capabilities during Operation Desert Storm, destroying hundreds of Iraqi tanks. Since then, it has been a critical asset in conflicts in Afghanistan, Iraq and Syria, despite multiple attempts to retire the aircraft. Its resilience and precision continue to make it indispensable in modern combat scenarios. The deployment of A-10s to the Philippines reflects the U.S. Department of Defense's prioritization of the Indo-Pacific region amid China's growing assertiveness. Joint exercises such as this bolster interoperability between U.S. and Philippine forces, ensuring preparedness for emerging challenges in a region critical to global trade and security. As tensions persist in the South China Sea, such operations underscore the importance of the U.S. Philippines alliance. With a history rooted in mutual defense and a shared commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific, the partnership remains a cornerstone of regional stability.